we'll see how this disposal performs in our scrap mix test. In this test, the disposal will take no longer than 4 minutes to process 11 types of foods that weigh roughly 90 ounces in total. To assess a performance in the test, we focus on how quickly the disposal finishes the task and how finely the output materials are processed. The equipment that we use includes a stopwatch, a sound level meter, a scale, and finally, one colander with small holes and another one with larger holes. Let's get to it. As we bring in the prepared scraps, you can see cooked fish scraps, celery, corn cobs, avocado pit, among other things. First thing we do going into this test is mix up the mishmash the best we could to create a realistic load of scrap food. As we guide the food to the sink drain, we let the scraps slide through as naturally as possible and only push in the pieces that are too large to fall in by themselves. We also make sure that a piece of lemon is among the last pieces of scrap to enter the grinding chamber. Close to 2 minutes, we check inside the chamber and see that most of the input materials have been processed, save for a few broken pieces of cob. We then proceed to categorize the output materials using the colanders with large holes as layer 1 and the colander with smaller holes as layer 2. The Evolution Excel had one of the quickest and quietest runs that we have seen out of this test. It went through 90 ounces of food scrap without any hassle and left behind only 0.3 ounces of leftovers. But most notably, it did so in only 2 minutes. The disposal did very well processing the input with visually no big pieces caught by the first colander. Layer 2, caught by the second colander, also appeared heavily pulverized. With such results, the InSinkErator Evolution Excel 1 horsepower receives a perfect 10 for its time, another 10 for layer 1, and a 9.3 for layer 2, which leads to the disposal's impressive 9.8 rating for its performance in the scrap mix test. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.